This is a fully automatic HDPE milk bottle manufacturing line. Uses a 2-station, 2-die linear extrusion blow molding machine to produce 1-liter milk bottles. The process starts by extruding molten HDPE into a hollow tube called a parison. The mold closes around the parison and seals it. Compressed air is then blown inside the parison. This expands the plastic until it takes the exact shape of the mold. After cooling, the mold opens and a robotic arm removes the bottles from the machine. The bottles then move to an automatic deflasher where the extra plastic is trimmed to give a clean, finished shape. This setup produces 1-liter HDPE milk bottles weighing 70 to 82 grams. With a 16-second cycle time, it delivers around 450 to 500 bottles every hour.